Hey guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you an update that we did towards the auto update inside the template installations. So on the template creation you can create a master template and enable auto update to automatically update towards any installed template version inside of any workspace. But we added an additional feature here. So if we go towards the My Contents tab, from here we're going towards My Bot Templates, and then we will search for a template that has auto update enabled. As you can see, that is the last template here, demo. And if we press the drop down now, you will see that we have managed installs now. So you will see that under a template that does not have the auto update, if we press the drop down there, you will not see any managed installations there. So this new feature only works in the auto update section. So if we're going to press manage installations, we're now able to see the specific workspace where the chatbot has been installed, by which user it has been installed to, and you can also even see the chatbot it has been installed in. Then you will be able to switch, toggle on or toggle off the editable, publishable, viewable features. So that is something that you can do on remote on each individual installed template. And you can also disable auto update. So this opens up a bunch of use cases. For example, if you would have a membership, like I have personally for my own membership, and someone cancels their, cancels their membership or did not make all the installments, then I can go inside the managed installations and, for example, disable the auto update. I could even say, okay, I want to remove the viewable, so the user cannot view the flows anymore, meaning they can also not use it, or the editable or the publishable, right? So this opens up a bunch of use cases that you can use at your own preference. And this is the new feature that we enabled for you to have a little bit more control over the managing of templates. So again, even if you do not use the auto update feature itself, just enabling it on the basically the template, right, will allow you to have these managing options enabled for you. So do try it out, provide feedback. If there are any issues, do let support know, and we'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. For now, have a great day, take care, and talk soon.